There was a time when these medicines were not available.
Have we created a moat for ourselves?
We started building our exports very aggressively as a country. So today we export close to about 30 to 35 billion worth of dollar billion worth of medicines.
In the last 20 years, when we think about the pharma industry, the industry has grown in size, the profits have grown, the cash flows have grown. And how has this journey been? And along the way, have we created a moat for ourselves?
Yeah, absolutely, Shelley. So if I look at the last 20 years and particularly the time frame from 2010 to 15, way back that time, 2010 was the starting era of Indian companies going aggressively to tap the US market, and we started building our exports very aggressively as a country, and we started showcasing our capability of producing the drugs at a desired quality and at an extremely attractive price. And I think that that's what really has made us create our own stand today in where we are in terms of our overall pharma industry. So today we export close to about 30 to 35 billion worth of dollar billion worth of medicines, and a large part of that goes to the US. So clearly, I mean, over the last 15-20 years, we've really built a very good scale. So I would say that not only the export, but even if I look at the domestic market, the kind of medicines, the kind of products that we've been able to launch, the kind of depth that we have been able to create in terms of reach, etc. Because there was a time when these medicines were not available in the inferior part of the country, which has also got built over a period of time, and now there is a lot of access to healthcare and the pharma medicines, etc. In the interiors of the country. So I think that on both hand, whether it be the export or the domestic market, I think things have really been extremely good. We've also gone through cycles here. So as I said, 2010 to 15 were the years where we actually built our US business extremely well and we showcased our strengths. The following 5 years were also the challenging period because in the first 5 years, if there was an accumulation of wealth in terms of cash building, in terms of balance sheet getting strengthening, the following 5 years also saw a bit of derailment of those, particularly led by extremely high competition in the export market and more importantly in the US market. So we've gone through cycles, yes, but I think net when I look at the last at least 15 years, 2010 to now, the journey has been pretty interesting for the pharmaceutical stocks, at least I would say.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.